Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to check your orders on Temu Shop in 2025. If you bought something recently and want to see where your package is, I'll show you exactly how to find and track your orders step by step. First, open the Temu app on your phone or visit the Temu website. If you're not logged in yet, tap sign in and enter your email, phone number, or Google account. Once you're logged in, tap the U icon at the bottom right corner of the app. Then select your orders. You see a list of your recent purchases. Find the order you want to check and tap track or view order details. If your order has multiple items, you can tap each one to view individual shipping updates. And that's how you check your orders in Temu Shop in 2025. It's super easy and keeps you updated and your deliveries anytime. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Temu guides. See you in the next one.